I'm Jan and I'm going to show you how we're going to access and navigate our way around this sandpit for your mini course. So first of all, you might have read some of the information in Milo support documents, but this is the quick way of doing it. Currently we're in Unit Home. We'll go to Content and we'll see on the left downward menu our Unit Overview, where we'll find the unit outline and structure, one of the most important documents you'll need. We'll go to Introduction, and this is where you'll find this Getting Started video. And you're there now, and you'll do your quick survey in this introduction module, and there's an introduction to the content of the learning that you're going to do. They're all in the foundation topics of Module 1. Module 2, so far week 4 and week 7 have been developed. The rest will be added as time goes by. So it's going to come to week 4, and that's when your knowledge will be constructed, and you'll see within week 4 that there's quite a few different activities to do. You'll have reading from your unit homepage to do before you come to class, and then you'll be prepared to watch, to do, to reflect, and so on. So there's all these different types of activities here. A Zoom session is planned for that day where we'll actually be collaborating with peers and doing analytical work together using the hero's journey. That's a very interesting topic and the basis of this course. There's a quiz, and the quiz can be found up here in assessments, and you'll also see under assignments that there are assessments to be done later, and also you'll see the quiz there. Under assessments you'll see rubric, and that will guide your more formal assessments other than quizzes, which are a bit less formal. We'll come back here to content, and module 2, we'll look at week 7, and we'll see that we have a variety of activities once again, from reading to reflecting to watching a slideshow, and then doing a drag and drop quiz to see how much we took in, and there'll be a discussion post to participate in, and another typology test to do if you want. So that's some of the topic there, and we'll go back to content and see what else is here. And then at module 3 we've got our skills development and summative assessment stage, and that's where you'll find those assessments linked to assessments tab above. So that's about it. That's how you find your way around, and of course you can always email me if you have any problems. If you haven't already used the welcome wall, you'll come down to the pink dot, click on it, there's a place for your information. Follow what I've got on the pink one there. Okay, very good. Welcome to the course. It's going to be great getting to know you. Bye for now.